In an unpredictable world, being prepared can make all the difference. Whether you're gearing up for a natural disaster, a blackout, or a full-blown apocalypse, the right tools are essential. In this video, we've rounded up 20 of the coolest Doomsday survival gear and gadgets you can grab on Amazon in 2025. From high-tech multi-tools to life-saving water filters, these picks are designed to keep you safe, smart, and ready for anything the future throws your way. Strength training should be efficient, comfortable, and built to last, no matter where your workout takes you. The GORUCK Ruck Plate Carrier is a purpose-built weighted rucking backpack designed for ultimate durability and ergonomic support. It features an elevated pocket for GORUCK ruck plates, reinforced construction, and extra padded straps, allowing maximum mobility and comfort during workouts. Whether on rugged trails or city streets, its streamlined design minimizes bulk while enhancing performance. Built and tested to meet the highest standards, this rugged, no-compromise rucking backpack helps you push your limits while maintaining superior stability and support. Just add weight and go. In demanding environments, sensitive equipment needs protection from water, dust, and impact damage. The MEIJIA portable protective hardcase offers exceptional durability and functionality for safely transporting valuable gear. Designed with a customizable fit foam, it secures cameras, drones, and other equipment against shocks and bumps. The soft grip handle ensures easy portability, while its beautiful and functional injection-molded construction provides long-lasting use. Featuring easy open latches with reinforced stainless steel, access is effortless compared to traditional cases. A high-quality pressure valve maintains internal stability while blocking water molecules. Its waterproof O-ring seal prevents dust and water entry, making this all-weather hard case ideal for professionals and adventurers alike. A reliable pocket knife is an essential tool for everyday tasks, outdoor adventures, and hunting. The old-timer folding pocket knife combines durability, versatility, and classic craftsmanship in a compact, easy-to-carry design. Featuring high-carbon stainless steel blades, it includes a clip point blade for precision cutting, a gut hook for effortless field dressing, and a saw blade for tougher materials. The heat-treated back springs ensure a secure blade lock, while the ergonomic saw cut handle with nickel-silver pins and bolsters provides stability and a timeless aesthetic. Designed for dependability, this knife is a must-have for any outdoorsman or everyday carrier. High-impact sports require reliable protection to prevent injuries without compromising comfort and mobility. The G-Form Pro X3 knee pads offer superior knee protection with an innovative SmartFlex technology, which stays flexible during movement but hardens on impact. Designed for mountain biking, cross-country rides, and all-day adventures, these compression knee guards provide a secure fit while maintaining breathability. The comfort layer with EVA foam enhances both protection and cushioning, while perforated holes maximize airflow. A new lower gripper with dimpled silicone ensures a snug fit around the calf, preventing slippage. Lightweight, breathable, and machine washable, the Pro X3 knee pads are perfect for athletes seeking reliable, everyday protection. In hazardous work environments, protecting hands from cuts, abrasions, and impacts is essential for safety and efficiency. The Schwer ProGuard work gloves offer ANSI a 9-level extreme cut resistance, ensuring top-tier protection for demanding tasks. Designed with a reinforced thumb crotch area, these gloves provide exceptional durability, lasting 10 times longer than standard cut-resistant gloves. The sandy nitrile coating enhances abrasion resistance and grip strength, even in wet or greasy conditions. With breathable and flexible materials, they allow all-day comfort. Additionally, the touchscreen compatibility enables seamless use of smartphones and tablets without removal. Ideal for industries like construction, metal fabrication, glass handling, and automotive repair, these gloves offer unmatched safety and performance. In survival and outdoor situations, having a reliable, versatile tool that can handle multiple tasks is essential. Meet the Teryx Omniblade, an innovative, heavy-duty 5-in-1 multi-tool designed to meet diverse needs. Combining a full-tang kukri machete, tomahawk-style hatchet, 7-inch crosscut saw, closed guard utility knife, and a hammer. This tool offers unmatched versatility in a compact design. Crafted from 420J, 2 stainless steel with a Rockwell hardness of 56 to 58, it ensures durability and sharpness. Whether you need to cut, chop, saw, or hammer, the Omniblade excels in extreme conditions, making it the perfect companion for camping, survival, or outdoor adventures. In unpredictable outdoor conditions, having a reliable fire-starting solution is crucial for survival, warmth, and cooking. Introducing the Zippo Emergency Fire Kit, a compact, water-resistant fire-starting tool designed for adventurers, campers, and emergency preparedness. Featuring a flint spark wheel and 5 lightweight paraffin wax-coated cotton spark tinder, it ensures quick ignition even in wet conditions, burning for up to 5 minutes. Its ergonomic design with a textured grip provides ease of use, while the water-resistant case floats and includes a molded lanyard hole for secure carrying. Packaged in a blister pack, this essential survival gear makes fire starting effortless, allowing you to confidently set up and ignite a fire anytime, anywhere. In demanding work environments, foot protection is essential to prevent injuries from impact, punctures, and harsh conditions. The SUADEX steel toe boots offer a durable and reliable solution for men and women working in construction, manufacturing, and industrial settings. Featuring a bulletproof Kevlar midsole, they effectively shield feet from sharp objects, while the waterproof fabric and sweat-wicking mesh keep feet dry and comfortable. The high-top design provides ankle support, and the rubber sole ensures a strong grip with excellent shock absorption to prevent slipping. Built for safety and durability, these indestructible work boots deliver outstanding performance in various industries, making them a dependable choice for tough jobs. Head protection is vital for workers in hazardous environments where safety risks are high. The STUDSON SHK-1 vented safety helmet is designed to redefine head protection with advanced materials, superior comfort, and modern innovation. Unlike traditional hard hats, this helmet incorporates a vented design for enhanced breathability while maintaining reliable protection against impact. Its customizable rear dial allows for a secure and comfortable fit, ensuring all-day wearability. Engineered for industrial athletes, it is built to safeguard those who construct and maintain our cities. Combining durability, comfort, and cutting-edge safety, this helmet is a game-changer for professionals who prioritize protection and performance on the job. When you're outdoors, having a reliable and compact knife can make all the difference in your survival and daily tasks. Introducing the Morakniv Eldris Fixed Blade Knife, a pocket-sized tool that delivers exceptional performance. With a 59mm blade made of Swedish stainless steel, it provides superior strength and long-lasting sharpness. The spine is ground to a 90-degree angle, making it compatible with fire starters. Its ergonomic high-friction handle ensures a secure grip, while the protective polymer sheath adds safety and convenience. Suitable for both right and left-handed users. Perfect for camping, hiking, fishing, and other outdoor activities, the Morakniv Eldris is a versatile and reliable knife for any adventure. Access to clean drinking water is essential for outdoor adventures, emergencies, and everyday travel. Meet the Joypur water filter bottle, a trusted partner for safe hydration, offering a 650ml collapsible design that is easy to carry and use. With advanced filtration accuracy, it removes contaminants while improving taste. Made from food-grade thickened TPU, this soft and foldable squeeze bottle is durable, stable, and wear-resistant. Weighing only 100 grams, it is fast to fill and fits effortlessly in any bag. Available in different colors and sizes, it provides safe drinking water from lakes, rivers, and other sources, making it ideal for camping, hiking, and backpacking. Reliable lighting is essential for working in low-light conditions, outdoor activities, and emergencies. The FORTO LED work light delivers powerful illumination with 2000 lumens and an adjustable color temperature between 4000 Kelvin and 5000 Kelvin for comfortable lighting. Featuring a rechargeable 5000 mAh battery, it doubles as a power bank for charging devices. Its rubber-coated design ensures durability with 1 meter fall prevention, while the IP67 waterproof rating makes it ideal for outdoor use. A foldable stand, magnetic handle, and threaded hole allow versatile positioning. With dual switch control and 8 light modes, this compact and portable work light is perfect for repairs, camping, and inspections. Fire emergencies can occur unexpectedly, making it crucial to have a reliable way to extinguish flames quickly and safely. Introducing the Amerex ABC Dry Chemical Fire Extinguisher, a versatile and essential tool designed to combat Class A, B, and C fires, including those involving wood, paper, flammable liquids, and electrical equipment. It features a durable, corrosion-resistant aluminum cylinder and a dependable metal valve. The extinguisher is easy to operate using the pass technique: pull, aim, squeeze, and sweep, ensuring effective fire suppression. Ideal for homes, businesses, and vehicles, this high-performance extinguisher provides peace of mind and protection in emergency situations. A reliable and compact cutting tool is essential for outdoor enthusiasts, survivalists, and everyday users. The DRACHENADER Mini Neck Knife is a powerful and versatile fixed blade knife designed for convenience and durability. Featuring a Tanto-style stainless steel blade, full tang construction, and a lightweight yet durable ABS plastic handle, it excels in tasks like cutting rope, wood, or opening boxes. The included sheath and necklace provide secure and easy carry, making it a trusted companion for camping, hiking, and survival situations. Despite its small size, this knife delivers exceptional performance and stability for a variety of outdoor needs. Enhancing your workout with added resistance is key for improving strength and endurance. Meet the Eric Flag Weighted Vest, a versatile and adjustable vest designed for both men and women. With removable weights ranging from 1 to 40 pounds, it provides customizable resistance for various exercises like CrossFit, calisthenics, running, and walking. The vest features a breathable, durable design with an adjustable strap to ensure a snug and secure fit for all body types. Its compact and close-fitting construction allows for total freedom of movement, making it an ideal addition to your fitness routine. In any situation requiring precision lighting, a reliable compact flashlight is essential. Introducing the FORTO LED Pen Light, a versatile, durable pocket flashlight designed for various tasks such as inspections, medical use, and emergencies. This flashlight provides a powerful 200 lumen output, illuminating up to 70 meters with 2 light modes. It's built with military-grade aluminum and is IP67 rated, making it both waterproof and impact-resistant, ensuring it performs in rugged environments. The lightweight design features a touch switch to prevent accidental activation, and it runs on 2 AAA batteries, offering convenience and ease of use in any situation. The pack includes 2 multicolored pen lights for versatility. In emergencies, having a reliable multi-tool can be life-saving. Meet the Outdoor Element Fire Escape, a versatile emergency escape tool designed to handle a range of critical tasks. Featuring a tungsten carbide tip window breaker, it can easily shatter vehicle windows in emergencies. The built-in seatbelt cutter allows quick access to escape routes by slicing through seatbelts, ropes, and cords. This tool also includes a fire starter, carabiner, bottle opener, and oxygen tank wrench, all made with a durable stainless steel body. Lightweight and compact, it's designed for easy access and storage, ensuring you're always prepared when it matters most. When hunting, effective concealment and portability are essential for success. Introducing the Ameristep Throwdown Hunting Blind, a compact, ultra-portable solution designed for hunters who need to move quickly and efficiently. With a patented hub design, it offers a quick setup and a low-noise 3-panel structure, large enough to conceal 2 hunters. The die-cut 3D leafy panels enhance concealment, blending seamlessly with natural surroundings. Featuring an integrated stake system and a strap for easy transport, this hunting blind is ultra-compact, fitting neatly into your turkey vest. It's perfect for run-and-gun hunters seeking a reliable, easy-to-use solution for any hunting adventure. Maintaining muscle support and recovery during physical activities is crucial for staying active and injury-free. The Stone and Clark Thigh Brace is designed to provide high-performance support for both men and women, offering effective compression and relief. Made from breathable and soft materials, it ensures comfort during extended wear, while the adjustable Velcro straps allow for a customizable fit. The brace targets key areas like the quadriceps and hamstrings, providing controlled support to prevent soreness or strain. With its non-slip design, it stays in place, making it ideal for use during exercise, running, or daily activities for optimal performance and recovery. Ensuring visibility and alerting others in emergencies is critical for safety. Introducing the Saillong Air Horn, a compact and powerful tool designed for use in various scenarios, such as boating, sporting events, and emergencies. This 1.4-ounce mini air horn meets Coast Guard safety requirements, delivering a loud sound that can be heard up to half a mile away. Its easy-to-use, handheld design ensures quick accessibility when you need it most. Perfect for scaring away animals, alerting others on the water, or providing safety during hiking, this air horn is a reliable portable solution for any emergency.